Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing today? And so I'm back with a couple of new products that are very, very new to me and some old standards. And what I started with today was the Maybelline Plump and Glow in 112. It's the new lifter foundation, and I haven't tried it. I know that a lot of people have, but I haven't. And so far, I'm really liking it. It doesn't go on so thick that you feel like you're wearing a mask. It really sinks in quickly and it feels very nice on the skin. In fact, it feels like you're not wearing anything, but the coverage is pretty full coverage. So I'm liking that. I did go ahead and use the NYX Bear With Me concealer as well with it. And I didn't mix anything else in. So there isn't any bronzer or any glowing. It's just strictly just strictly the lifter foundation. I have mine in 112, which tends to be a really good shade for me. I found out with the other, I have it all on backwards too. There we go. Now it says lifter on it. But I found out with the Maybelline tint in the C+, that 112 was my shade. If you want to really make a statement and you're really fair, go for shade 102. It just brightens everything up. But like I said, with this look, since we're starting to get near spring and wanting to have some color and everything, I went with the 112, which is probably just about my shade, I think. And as far as the bronzer today, did use the NYX Deserve Butta. And so this is the one that I have on as far as the bronzer. And the Catrice Soft Glam as far as the blush. And this one is in Midnight Berry. So this is what Midnight Berry looks like. And I did go ahead and use one of the Chameleon Wet-n-Wild Chameleon eyeshadows as my highlighter today. And this one is Starlight, and it's just too small to read. So this one is the Starlight shade, and I went ahead and put it across here. This is one that has it has a pink shift, a green shift, and a gold shift in it. So it's really pretty as a highlighter. I'm really liking it. And then for the lips today, I did go ahead and use the Shoddy to go ahead and overdraw a little bit on the lips. And then this other Chameleon product, which I have been using as an eyeshadow, but officially it's a lip gloss. And so let me go ahead and add a little bit more in here. Yeah, this is gorgeous. There are two other colors, and I'm going to go ahead and get both. Again, just a gorgeous color. It has a ton of multi-chrome color in it. Really, really pretty. I also use the Chameleon for my eyeliner today. So that's what I have on there. And this is the green eyeliner. So that's how it looks. And so I did go ahead and use that for my look. I did go ahead and put on a base color, and the base color I used was green. I used the Nomad American Parks palette, and I went ahead and just used this light grass green all over the lid, and then I went ahead and put on the Chameleon multi-chromes over that. And I did go ahead and use, still trying with this. Starlight Fever is what this one's called. And this one, whoa, knocked over everything. So this one actually I used from here to here, and it's going pink as far as I can see. And then the other one that I used was this one, which is Lunar Voltage. And this one goes green, purple, and blue. And this is the way it looks. And I did this one right in the crease and right above the crease. And so it's the one that's sort of going green here. this is how the eye look came out. So it's a lighter kind of tone, but it has a lot of punch to it. So I'm really enjoying that. And I love this both as an eyeshadow and as a lip gloss. I think it works as either. And I'm just really enjoying the multichromes and being able to get a multichrome look without spending an arm and a leg. And as far as my other, let's see, I did go ahead and use the Dawn by Morphe for my finishing powder. And this is new as well. And this is a glitter gold makeup setting spray. It's from Caici, and it's definitely, well, I'm not sure what the, it's definitely from the East. I don't know what sort of language it has on here, but as far as the setting spray, these are always really fun because they have the mica in them, so they give you a lot of glow, which is something that I really like. And so, yeah, there it is, the mica setting spray. This one was over on Amazon, and I know that Wet n Wild does a lot of these, but sometimes they're hard to find, and so I was really glad that I found this one. And other than that, I think that's the whole look, and I'm really liking all the multi-chrome colors, and I'm so glad that Wet n Wild came out with more of the chameleon shades because they're really pretty and they're fun to work with, and you can put them over different matte eyeshadows to get totally different looks, and you can, you know, use them for your highlighter or pat them on top of your lip gloss. So there are all sorts of fun with these ones. And I think that's probably the whole video. I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.